Hi friends, welcome to another free card kit video on my blog and YouTube channel. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada, and this is a tutorial for customers who shop with me this month. For details on how to get this free card kit and written tutorial, please click the link below. If you are not one of my customers, please enjoy this video as an inspirational tutorial. All right, I just got to do a little bit of housekeeping before I get into the card kit for April 2018. I've been sporadically going to the post office each month sending out the card kits. So starting this month, I'm tightening the schedule and I'll have 3 mailings for the card kit. The first mailing is on the 1st, and that is for my entire team. I will send out the card kit in that first mailing to my team. And it's not because they're more important, it just means that I know that they will be getting it. The customers who shop with me from the 1st to the 15th get in on the second mailing, and the third mailing is for customers who shop with me between the 15th and the 30th of the month. So I hope that doesn't confuse anybody, or if you're wondering where the kit is, that's what's happening. So now I'm getting into the card kit, and I am featuring the Tabs for Everything stamp set. It's a really cute little stamp set. And these are the contents of the kit. And what I ended up doing with the words Tabs for Everything is I sort of smushed them all together. So the 4 sentiments say wonderful, amazing, adorable, fabulous. And I put them all together, and I've stamped on that little strip of paper. Now that little strip of paper has some copper washi tape on it. It is now discontinued, but I have a hoarding, so I'm sharing. So I had a little glue accident there. You kind of saw that where it splooshed all over. So yeah, that was, you know, this is what happens when you're crafting. I have glue all over my fingers, and this card is going to be sticky, but that's okay. So again, another hoarding of this amazing springtime foil that I'm sharing. On 2 of the rectangles, I have put regular dimensionals that are regular dimensional height. And then for the third one, I'm putting some strip of the foam adhesive sheets, or sorry, the foam adhesive strips. All right, so basically one of the rectangles goes in the top left corner, one of the rectangles go in the bottom right corner, and then the one that has the double the height, which is this one, and I'm just making sure that the adhesive strip actually will fit inside that little opening between the 2, because I want that to be popped up and I don't want it to interfere with anything. So it is double the height of the regular dimensional. All right, so I put another little foam adhesive strip underneath the sentiment, wonderful, amazing, adorable, fabulous. Now I'm taking my mini dimensionals. There's lots of different adhesives going on in this card. I'm taking my mini dimensionals on the U and a little bit of my wet glue on the Y and a little bit on the O, and I'm adhering that to the rectangles because they are different heights. And then that's pretty much the card kit for today. I hope you have fun putting it together and hope you understand the new schedule. Thanks so much for shopping with me. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf to visit my website, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.